Hello students, if you are appearing in class 10th exam in 2020, then this video is surely meant for you. As you are aware that Cbse is conducting the examination of 2020 with maths as a subject, and it will be of two types. First will be the basic examination, which will be simpler in nature, and second will be standard exam, which will be an examination with questions difficult to one. We will not be touching the point that which student should take which type of pattern for the examination. Rather, we have here be solving the questions of standard examination, which will be tougher and brainstorming question paper for class 10th in Cbse examination. So I am not going to touch it because many videos are there on this subject, that which student should take which type of pattern for the examination of 2020. As you are aware that the sample paper of both basic and standard have been uploaded on the website of Cbse. So we are going to solve the questions of standard pattern in this particular video. First, we will be looking into what type of question paper we are going to get. The time given for this question paper will be of 3 hours, and maximum marks for this question paper will be 80. Now look the general instructions of the question paper. All questions will be compulsory. In all, 40 questions will be there. Now 4 groups will be there in the question paper: A, B, C, D. A will have 20 questions and each question will be of 1 mark. Group B will be having 6 questions and each question will be of 2 marks. Group C will have 8 questions. Each question will be of 3 marks. And Group D will have 6 questions. Each question will be of 4 marks. Now internal choices will be there. Internal choices will be like this, that 2 questions of 1 mark will have internal choice. 2 questions of 2 marks will have internal choice. 3 questions of 3 marks will have internal choice, and 3 questions of 4 marks will have internal choice. Calculator will not be permitted in the examination hall. These are the general instructions. Now let us see the solution of the sample paper which Cbse has uploaded. Question number 1 of 1 mark. The decimal representation of 11 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 will. Options are: terminate after 1 decimal place, D is terminate after 2 decimal places, C is terminate after 3 decimal places, and fourth, D is not terminate. See, we know that if any rational number is of the form P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and Q is of the form 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers, then the decimal representation of that rational number will terminate. So here D cannot be the option. First thing is clear, D cannot be the option, because here we find that the denominator is of the form 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n. Now this rational number can be written 11 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 5, and if I multiply and divide this rational number by 5 square, then I obtain 11 into 25, which is 275 upon 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. Means I have here in the denominator 10 raised to the power 3. So this becomes 275 upon 10 raised to the power 3, which is 1000. Means this rational number can be written 0.275. This can be written like this, means the rational number in its decimal form will terminate after 3 decimal places. So here option C is the correct answer. Now we will see question number 2. A question on statistics. Consider the following frequency distribution of heights of 60 students of a class. Height in centimeter are given. Class intervals are 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, and so on. Number of students correspondingly are given as 15, 13, 10, and so on, like in this table. The upper limit of median class in the given data is, options are 165, 155, 160, 170. See, to find out the median class, first we will have to find the cumulative frequency. So here the class intervals are 150, 155, 155, 160, 160, 165, 165, 170, 170, 175, and 175, 180. These are the class intervals given to us. Frequency, that is number of students, are given as 15, 13, 10, 8, 9, 5. This is our frequency. This is class interval. Now to find cumulative frequency, what we do is, first we will write 15, then 15 plus 13, which is 28, then 28 plus 10, which is 38, then 38 plus 6 plus 8, which is 46, 46 plus 9, which is 55, and 55 plus 5, which is 60. It is also checked that there are 60 students in the class. Now our n has the value as 60. So first we calculate n upon 2. So n upon 2 will be equal to 60 upon 2. That means it is 30. Now the cumulative frequency, which is just greater than 30, is this 38, and the corresponding class interval is 160, 165. So median class is equal to 160, 165. Now the question asks the upper limit of the median class. Upper limit is 165. Of this value, this class interval, the upper limit is 165. So here option A is the correct option. We have to read the question paper carefully. We have been required to opt the upper limit of the median class of the data, which is 165. Question number 3. The LCM of smallest 2-digit composite number and smallest composite number is, options are 12, 4, 20, and 44. Definition of composite number, we know that any natural number which is not prime is composite number except 1. So smallest 2-digit composite number is 10 and smallest composite number is 4. So we are to find here the LCM of 10 and 4. We can find it like this: 10 here and 4 here. Both are divided by 2. So 2 I can write here, 5 here and 2 here. Now 2 into 5 into 2 is the LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 2, which means 20. So here option C is the correct option. Question number 4. For which value or values of P will the lines represented by following equations be parallel? Two equations are given. 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second equation is 6x minus 2y minus p is equal to 0. These two equations are parallel. We have been given that the lines represented by these two equations are parallel lines. Now, for parallel lines, we know if the equations of lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition when the lines represented by these two equations are parallel lines. Now apply this rule here. Here a1 is 3, b1 is minus 1 and c1 is minus 5. a2 is 6, b2 is minus 2 and c2 is minus p. So 3 upon 6 should be equal to minus 1 upon minus 2 is not equal to minus 5 upon minus p. This is the case. This means 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Minus and minus are cancelled. Is not equal to 5 upon p. Take these two. This means p should not be equal to 10. 2 multiply this 5 gives us 10. That is, value of p should not be equal to 10. All real values are permitted here, but p should not be equal to 10 for the lines represented by these given equations to be parallel. So here option A is correct. All real values except 10. Question number 5. If triangle ABC is right angled at C, then the value of sec A plus B is, options are 0, 1, 2 by root 3 and D is not defined. See, a triangle is there which is a right angled triangle and it is right angled at point C. Let us say this point is A and this point is B. Now we have been asked the value of sec A plus B. Now from this triangle we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of the inner angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle C is 90 degree. So this implies angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree minus angle C, which is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Means we are to find the value of sec 90 degree. A plus B is 90 degree, which can be written 1 upon cos 90 degree, and we know that cos 90 degree is 0. So this is 1 upon 0, which is not defined. So here the option D is the correct option. Now we will see question number 6. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta, where theta is not equal to 90 degree, then the value of tan theta is, these are 4 options given to us. We have been given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta. This implies cos theta can be taken to the right hand side, which gives us sin theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Here cos theta can be taken common. In bracket we find it is under root 2 minus 1. This is the value of over sine theta. Now cos theta by cross multiplication can be brought here to the left hand side in the denominator, which gives us sine theta upon cos theta is equal to under root 2 minus 1. And we know that sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. This gives us tan theta is equal to under root 2 minus 1. So the value of tan theta, where theta of course is not equal to 90 degree, because if the theta is 90 degree, then tan theta is not defined. So here the required value of tan theta is under root 2 minus 1. Option A here is the correct option. Question number 7. Given that sine alpha is equal to under root 3 upon 2 and cos beta is equal to 0, then the value of beta minus alpha is. Options are 0 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree or 30 degree. See, we have been given sine alpha is equal to under root 3 upon 2. Taking alpha as acute angle, we know that sine 60 degree is equal to under root 3 upon 2. This gives us that alpha is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, cos beta we have been given as 0, which means we know that cos 90 degree is equal to 0, that is beta is equal to 90 degree. So beta minus alpha will be 90 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. So here option D is the correct option. Question number 8. The point which divides the line segment joining points 8, minus 9 and 2, 3 in ratio 1:2 internally lies in. Options are first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Now we know that if there are 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, let us say these points are A and B, and a point C divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, then C has the coordinates m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the formula, section formula we know for internal division. Now here m1, m2 are 1 and 2, x1, x2, x1, y1 are 8 and minus 9, x2, y2 are 2 and 3. Now put these values. So we have m1 is 1, x2 is 2 plus m2 which is 2 and x1 is 8 upon m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. This is the x coordinate. Y coordinate is 1 into y2 is 3 plus m2 is 2, y1 is minus 9 upon m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. This is the coordinate of the point which is dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2. Now simplify this. This is equal to, we obtain 2 plus 8 into 2 is 16. 2 plus 16 upon 3, comma, this is 3 minus 9 to the 18 upon 3. Means this value is 18 upon 3 and this is minus 15 upon 3, which means the coordinates are 6, minus 5. Now we will see where this point lies. These are our coordinate axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. X is positive, means in this direction. This is our origin. X is in this direction. Y is in negative direction, means in this direction. So here lies this point, which is 6, minus 5. Means this is our first quadrant, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth quadrant. So our point lies in the fourth quadrant. Hence here option D is the correct option. Now we will see question number 9. The distance of the point P, coordinates are -3, -4 from x-axis in units is. Options are 3, -3, 4, and D option is 5. See, first we will locate this coordinate on the coordinate axis plane. See, this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Origin is this. Now, coordinate is -3, -4. X is in negative direction, so it is in this direction. And y again is, y coordinate is negative direction, so it is point here. -3, -4. Here we have moved 3 units because x is -3, so it is there on this direction. And y is in negative direction, so it is, this distance is 4. Now we want the distance of point from x-axis. This is our x-axis. Distance is 4 units because this distance is 4 units. So here option C is the correct option. Question number 10. If A coordinates are m/3, 5 is the midpoint of the line segment joining points Q coordinate -6, 7 and R coordinates are -2, 3, then the value of m is. Options are -12, -4, 12 or -6. 2 points are given. This is point Q. Coordinate is -6, 7. Point R. Coordinate -2, 3. Midpoint is this. The coordinate of which are m/3, 5. Now, according to midpoint theorem, this m/3 will be equal to -6 -2 upon 2. So it will be -6 -2 upon 2, which is equal to -8 upon 2. That is equal to -4. So we have been given m/3 is equal to -4, which by cross multiplying we get m is equal to -12. See, we have used the midpoint theorem, which is that if line segment is joining points x1, y1 and x2, y2, and this is the midpoint, then the coordinate of midpoint are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the coordinate of the midpoint. We have used that thing here. -6 -2, this is the addition, upon 2, we have equated that equal to m/3, which gives us the value of m as -12. So here option A is the correct option.